Hey students, this is the chapter The Red Trap written by Selma Lagerlof, and this is part 5 of the explanation. Page number 41, first paragraph. Christmas Eve at Ramsjo passed as usual as it had in the past. Even though they had a guest, but it was as usual as it had in the past. The stranger did nothing but sleep. They woke him up to have his Christmas food. Then he slept again after having Christmas food. It seemed like for long he hadn't a peaceful sleep. In the evening, Christmas tree was lighted. They woke him up again. Seemed like candlelight hurt his eyes, so he disappeared from that place and went to sleep again. 2 hours later, they woke him up again. The stranger went down to the dining room and ate Christmas feast and porridge. After having Christmas fare or food, he got up from the table, went around to each one present there, said, "Thank you, good night." When he reached to Edla, he understood the suit which he wore was a Christmas present from her father, and he need not to return the suit. He is also invited if he wants to spend next Christmas Eve. The red trap seller didn't reply anything to the invitation of young Edla. He only stared at the young girl with boundless amazement. He had no idea why did the girl save him, why she went against her father and argued for him. Next morning, ironmaster and daughter Edla woke up early for Christmas service or prayer. They found the red trap seller was still sleeping. They didn't disturb the sleeping guest. While returning from church at 10 o'clock, Edla sat and hung her head dejectedly. Dejectedly means in a depressed manner. She was depressed and she hung her head. At church, she heard that one of the crofter had been robbed by a man who went around selling red trap. We still remember how the red trap seller robbed the old crofter, and this time they heard the news of that robbery. Father commended her for having the thief into the house. The father taunted her for having the red trap seller, the thief, into the house. The father also doubted robbery at their house. The ironmaster father rushed towards the house to ask the assistant whether the stranger was still there at home. He told the valet that he heard the stranger is a thief. The valet replied, the stranger had gone and he hadn't taken anything. Contrast to it, the stranger had left a little package for Edla as a Christmas present. Adela opened the package, which was packed so badly that one can see the inside contents. She was so happy finding a small rat trap. She was so happy that the man, the rat trap seller, hasn't robbed anything but left a present. Inside the rat trap, there was 3 wrinkled 10 kroner notes that was robbed from the old crofter, and a letter written in large, jagged characters addressed to Adela. It was written by the rat trap seller. The rat trap seller called her noble miss. She was very kind to him even after it was very clear that he wasn't the captain they were considering. If he were a real captain, he wouldn't have let her embarrassed at the Christmas season by a thief. He requested Adela to return the money to the old crofter. The rat trap is a Christmas present from him. At the end, he signed as Captain Von Stell as a promise to be as nice human as captain. Now homework for you. Page number 43. Understanding the text. Talking about the text. Answer all the questions in FNB. Thank you.